We're backing up and leaving Lake Hume this morning. Been a great spot. Beautiful, certainly come back here. Nice and peaceful. During the week anyway. We're heading off to, we think, Tumbarumba. Maybe. But I guess we'll find out in a couple of hours. Well, that man's taken us down another sea road.
Man.
Mm-hmm.
What man? Oh, that
That man.
I thought you said that man.
Vic's just woken up, she's been asleep.
No, I haven't, but these sort of roads do make me want to go to sleep.
So we're in the middle of a wine plantation by the looks of it.
Pretty.
We're off the beaten track again, except we're on asphalt.
Now we have to stop on the red light. Prepare to stop.
So we're in the middle of nowhere and there's traffic lights. And there's no traffic.
Oh, it is in poor condition. Big pothole.
Where?
We just went over the top of it.
What'd you just say, mate? What'd you just ask me?
I said, did we take the highway? Did we always take the highway? I said, it's ridiculous.
We always seem to be on back road. This is pretty good quality back road at the minute. We're in the middle of some mountain range. We can already come up. So after a very interesting drive through the Murray Valley. So we went Murray Valley Highway and then through some logging roads. We've ended up at Tumbarumba. There's a free camp up in town, but it's just a car park. Looks a bit crappy, so we splurged for the night. We're at the Tumbarumba Caravan Park. Sit up there, nice and green. Vic's gone into town for a while on her own because there's a Vinnie's. She's gone to the Vinnie's shop. Looks like a nice little town. Just booked for one night. Maybe we'll stay two because there is another rail trail. Only 19 kilometres long, so we might do that tomorrow. Stay an extra night. We'll see. It's supposed to be 38 degrees tomorrow, so we'll have to do it early. Anyway, I'm going to check out town. Well, there's another place I bet you've never seen before. This is called Paddy River Falls. Between Hume and Tumbarumba. in the snowy mountains. There's a walking track. Haven't done stairs for a while.
Doesn't look all that well used.
No. You going for a swim? I reckon we could get underneath that. Yeah. Nice and cool in here. Very interesting rock formation. I guess it's basalt.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
So we've checked out of.
Tumbarumba Caravan Park.
Enjoy your stay there.
Yeah, it was alright. It's a nice park, but it needs some work.
Needs a lot of work. Like there were
Broken taps.
8, 9, 10 tents next to us with seasonal workers in them, and there's 3 showers and 2 toilets. It's a bit overworked, but anyway, had a good sleep.
Yeah,
So what are we doing now?
we're going
Vic's
to
excited because we're doing another rail trail.
The Rosewood trail from Tumbarumba to Rosewood and back.
And how far is it?
How far is it?
Not going to tell you.
Is it 12 k's either way?
No,
15?
no,
6?
no.
How many?
21.
Either way,
We don't have to do the whole lot. Let's see how we go.
Onto Lakeland Street, then turn right onto Figure Street.
Well, there's a lot of snuffing around. We eventually found the start of the rail trail. Yeah, somewhere. Hopefully there'll be a sign. When someone's in town. Rail trail, across the road. What are you barking at? Hey! Yeah, rail trail. Well, I think we found the official start of the Tumbarumba to Rosewood rail trail. Like the repair station. Hopefully we don't need that. So we're 3 k's in. So far it's all downhill, which is bad news for the trip back. There's a lot of these cattle grates along here. Over this one by the looks of it. They're very rough. Not much good if you're on road tyres. Yeah, just got to slow down, take them easy.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Over there to our left, massive timber mill. Smells nice. Another station, Wolseley Park. Where are snakes? Nice cool reprieve. Back out to the sun and the wind. What are they, budgies?
I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe?
like we're pulling into a station. Roy. Yeah. Well, that's the repair station. Lost our shade though. Downtown Rosewood. Oh look, we're in a flight path. And a little bit further along, about a kilometre along, there's a post office cafe as well. It doesn't seem to be a lot else. So this is the Rosewood Gnome Retirement Village. It says if you steal a gnome you'll get a curse. Bad luck for the rest of your life. Huh. Very nice trail. Almost flat. And just in a rhythm, just cruising around 26 k's an hour. No assistance needed. Might need it up ahead, looks like a little bit of a rise, but not too much. Just nice gentle trail. How was that one?
It was okay, except it got so hot.
Yeah, really hot. I got a stinking headache.
But we made it.
How far?
49k.
Just over 49 k's.
Lucky there was a cafe at the end at Rosedale, and we had that. What was it? Power drink. Powerade.
Anyway, we finished up here. We're heading Gundagai free camp for the night. Have a rest this afternoon, huh?
Bloody oath.
Say bye Tumbarumba.
Bye Tumbarumba.
So we know we're getting into snow country. How do we know that?
Because the lines are yellow.
What's T stand for?
Chapinga? Maybe? Huh? Takara?
No, keep guessing. It's a ski village. We drove through it last time. Not through
Hume.
On our way through Hume. So it's been a big day. Starting off with that nearly 50k ride, and then the old GPS bringing us here to Gundagai through the back roads again. But we get to see some interesting places. Just at Gundagai for the night. Usual spot just out of town. Just been to the ex-services club because they've got 2 years old on tap, and I've missed it for 3 weeks. Anyway, it's still like it's 6:15 and it's still 37 degrees. So we'll just have something light and cold like a salad for dinner, and then off to bed. Hopefully a good night's sleep. Nice here. Old historic trestle bridge over there in the background.
We didn't hang out the washing.
We forgot to hang out the washing. We'll do that now.
Getting all this grass for the cow.
So we've got this cow come to visit. It's been sticking its head through the fence, so Vic's thinking she's going to save the cow the trouble. Oh dear.
Not all humans want children.
There's not enough room in the caravan to bring a cow. Huh?
It's just nice to be able to do something nice for a poor cow.
You think it's going to remember?
I don't care, at least it makes its life happy for a little while.
You have to eat that bit yourself.
It needs to come out here.